Hey guys, what's up? It's Aaron from Zippo Masters. Gonna show you my Zippo collection. Marlboro Copper Blend number 27, Venetian, the engraving spot, Camel, just chrome, another Camel, still sealed. That's still sealed. This is from Desert Storm. Has the flint, the little pipe, the pouch. It's missing the fuel. It's got a wick. Harley Davidson's got a little pin, a pouch, and the Zippo. Still sealed. My Zippo Barcroft. Two Marlboro Broncos. Marlboro Eat, Ride, Sleep, Marlboro Compass. Pheasant Hunter. Just chrome with an engraving. Camel, number 9. Scrimshaw, still sealed, still sealed. Still sealed. Eat, Ride, Sleep. We got, this is just Slims in here. Military, just black with Zippo on it. Scrimshaw, black matte. Chrome Scrimshaw. Zodiac series. Pisces, 2 Pisces. One just has its original color. Just chrome with the diagonal lines in the engraving spot. Just chrome. Just chrome. It's missing the lid though. Paid 25 cents for it, whatever. Just a new insert. Got some flint. And now we'll open the case. Colibri case. Zippo case. Venetian. Train. Hold on, let's go over here. You got better light if I come over here. Okay, here. Is that better? Oh, that's too bright. Okay, whatever. Scrimshaw, Camel, Zippo pipe lighter, matte black, chrome, Spectrum. Has some sort of design on Hunter. I already showed you the Venetian. You see all the train. Slim, 1936. Pat pending Zippo, one next to the 36. Zippo Windy Lady Hard Rock, and just solid brass. Come on, man, hurry up. Think slow. Bicentennial, 1776, still sealed. Just another chrome one. Camel, military, chrome, Marlboro, another Camel, tennis player, Zippo pipe lighter, cat in a hat. Okay, now we're going to speed it up just a little. It's a Slim down here. Let's come out. Zippo Ziplight, Delco and Remy America suggestions. Another Zodiac series Virgo. So that's the original box. But yeah, that's my Zippo collection. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, comment. Peace.